Welcome to would like. In this lesson, we'll learn to use would like for polite requests and offers. Would like is polite for want, and we usually shorten would like to I would like, I'd like. Let's see how we use it. I want a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee. Subject plus would like plus noun. I'd like, you'd like, he'd like, she'd like, it would like. We'd like, you'd like, they'd like. Top tips. Would stays the same, whoever is speaking. We can't shorten it would, so it stays the same. It would like. We'd like to go to France. They'd like to go to the cinema tonight. Questions with would like. Would you like some cake? Would plus subject plus like plus noun. What would you like to do today? Would you like to come with us to the cinema? In this lesson, we have learnt would like and would you like. Would like is the polite way to say want. Repeat after me. I'd like a cup of coffee. They'd like to go to the cinema. Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like to go to the cinema? Welcome to like and would like. In this lesson, we'll learn the difference between like and would like. Like. Like is used to talk about things we always like. For example, I like chocolate. He likes cooking. Top tip. Don't forget the he, she, it rule for regular verbs in the present simple. Remember to add s. Do they like reading? Would like. Would like is used to express a wish or desire. It's the polite way to say I want. I'd like a glass of water. We'd like to go shopping at the weekend. What would you like to do this afternoon? Like, would like. I like apples. I always like them. For example, I like apples, but I don't like bananas. I'd like an apple, please. A polite way to ask for an apple or say, I want an apple. Would you like a banana? No, thanks. I don't like bananas. I'd like an apple, please. I love apples. They're one of my favorite fruits. In this lesson, we have learnt the difference between like and would like. I like apples. I'd like an apple, please.